Hello. Hi everyone. My name is Wanjera, and today I'm taking you out. It's on Saturday. I'm breaking my normal routine from what I've been doing like for the past couple of days, and I would urge you to keep watching and tuned in the video and see what we are up to. Yeah, so cheers. Today I just want to take you through a workout routine that I have taken up for the past 6 days. I've been working out, and mainly for my abs. The motivation is from a YouTube video that I saw from a YouTuber called TING, and she has an ideal exercise workout for people who want to reduce their waistline and also the fat around the stomach. So I'm going to take you through a simple routine of what I do to warm up, and take you through how I've been exercising for the past 6 days. I plan to continue with this routine for the next 2 weeks because it's a 2-week challenge, and I want to challenge you to join me in this challenge so that we can hit our ideal waistline, and we can stay fit as we try to do useful thing during this time. Yeah, so watch through the video, learn, let's challenge each other, and stay tuned. Thank you. So the next exercise and the last exercise for warming up, we'll just do some stretching, some stretch. And for me, I like those ones that make me look like pyramid. So you just bend your arms to the further side, and whenever you go back, you can that's warm up. So we go direct to the exercises. easy. It's not easy at all. Look at the sweat. But nothing good comes easily. I don't know if you have just finished watching the video, the workout video, and we started out with the warming up, and after the warm up I went to the ab exercises. Yeah, so there are things that I have learned as I have continued doing the exercises, and these are things I would want to share with you. One, as you follow Chloe do the workout, or as you follow me do the workout now, please ensure you time yourself, so you can give yourself like 10 seconds for each exercise, or 30 seconds for each exercise, and you can pause the video as it plays for you to finish your timing. Yeah, so, and when you'll be starting the workout, of course, because of the burn, it's very uncomfortable. So what I can advise is that, please, if you feel the burn and you want to take a break, just pause your timer, pause the video playing, and take that breather, then come back and continue with the exercise. Yeah, you don't have to really push yourself too far initially when you're starting, because then your body has to systematically adjust as you lose the weight and as you cut off the fats. Yeah, then another thing is to stay hydrated. Your best friend during the exercises is your water, so drink your water throughout the exercises and after the exercises. And also get a routine on when you'll be exercising. So if it works for you best to work out in the morning, go for the morning exercise. If it works out best for you to work out in the evening, go for the evening workout. If you have colleagues that you would want to tag along, friends or relatives that you would want to challenge, to take up the challenge with you, it is also quite motivating. So bring your team on. Then also dress up and look the part. Yeah, so get your gym bra, get your comfortable innerwears, and get your tights or your workout outfit and top, shoes, comfortable shoes, and also get your working out mat, which is equally important. Yeah, also try to break the norm of where you normally work out. So if mainly you only work out in the gym, try something new. Go out with your friends in a not very crowded place, and try to work out from there. Go out in nature like I have done, and let nature heal you as you try to help yourself.